Imagine the future of crypto dominated not by Bitcoin or Ethereum, but by meme coins. Top crypto trader Murad Mahmudov thinks that's exactly where we're headed. And he's not just talking, he's investing big in some unconventional picks. Today we're breaking down his top meme coin picks that could explode in the upcoming meme coin supercycle. Let's dive in. These aren't your average animal-themed meme coins. Murad's choices represent unique movements, communities, and even cultural statements. Stick around to discover which of these could become the next big thing in crypto. 1. S&P 6900, Ethereum. First up, S&P 6900 on Ethereum. This isn't just a meme coin, it's a movement. S&P 6900 aims to flip the S&P 500 as a statement against traditional finance. Murad calls it future-focused, with a rapidly growing community. Could this be the meme coin to watch? 2. Giga, Solana. Next, we have Giga on Solana. It's more than a coin. It's a lifestyle. Giga embodies meme culture with a focus on masculinity and a strong community. Murad sees it as a major contender in the mid-cap meme coin market. Will Giga's unique vibe make it a breakout hit? 3. memecoin, Ethereum. Then there's memecoin, Murad's top culture coin. Designed for social media signaling and easy for newcomers, it's one of the top 5 cult meme coins on Ethereum. Could memecoin become the go-to for crypto newbies? 4. Popcat, Solana. In the cat-themed meme space, Murad is bullish on Popcat. With massive community support, he believes we could be entering a cat season in meme coins. Imagine a viral, cat-themed meme coin going to the moon. Popcat just might have the potential. 5. Harry Potter Obama. Sonic 10 Inu, Ethereum. Things get even crazier with Harry Potter Obama Sonic 10 Inu. Yes, that's the name. This surreal coin taps into the wild side of meme culture. It's chaotic, it's unconventional, and Murad sees it as a must-have for those chasing the edgiest meme coins. 6. Retardo, Solana. Up next is Retardo, a controversial pick dubbed the anti-woke coin. Murad believes the humor only increases with its value. This one's for those who enjoy a bit of controversy in their portfolio. 7. Miniat, Solana. Another cat-themed coin, Miniat follows Popcat and Michi in Murad's list. He sees this as undervalued with standout artwork and solid community support. Could it be a hidden gem? 8. Lock-in, Solana. Known as the success coin, Lock-in's entire mission is to inspire. Murad thinks its message could resonate in a big way with investors seeking motivation, along with gains. 9. Apu, Ethereum. Moving to Apu on Ethereum, this coin offers a wholesome alternative to Pepe. With Finnish origins and a strong Chainlink community, Apu's appeal lies in its art and the high IQ of its followers. 10. USA Coin, Solana. Finally, USA Coin, leading the country coin narrative on Solana. It's had a slow start, but Murad believes its patriotic theme could make it a late bloomer. So there you have it. Murad Mahmudov's top meme coin picks for the upcoming supercycle. From philosophical statements to lifestyle movements and quirky cult favorites, these coins cover a lot of ground. Imagine what could happen if even one of these catches fire. What do you think of Murad's picks? Do you have any meme coins you think will go parabolic? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more updates on crypto trends and high-potential coins. Before you go, don't miss our next video. Check out the links on the screen and subscribe to the channel for the latest updates in crypto and join the Telegram channel.